Sanbonan Bafetu, Sanbonan ma South Africa mahle. This is yet another exciting episode. I'm your host Jabu Mahlangu. Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis, shuffling Diski Ringers. This week, namhlanje actually this episode sizoringa kakhulu ngebafana bafana because it's a FIFA break. We've got two friendlies ezizayo on Friday and next week Tuesday against Panama, ne?
Panama.
Yeah, against Panama, which is a Central American country. And before but sizongena kakhulu ukuthi sicabangani thina as GMTS, please don't forget to share, like, hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Bafethu, I'm not flying solo. Ngiphethe isikhokho sami esikhokhelwayo. Knowledge FIFA break intwana isquad Hugo Bros yeah divided kancane.
We are.
Because of the squad. Other people they want certain names to be into the squad, and they are not there. Abanye babadropile who ama player ebeba party national team for some time. What's your take, Mfana? What's your take?
Like you say, Ntwana, okay, first let me also introduce myself. My name is Busiso Mahlangu, aka Sense of Knowledge, your co-host on Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Ntwana, Mina, yes, the country is divided one way or the other because when ungathanda le player, mina ngithanda le player leli. So we will always have that debate to go to coach right or wrong. But at the end of the day, the coach must still choose a team. And this is not the final squad.
Yeah.
He still wants to see certain players.
Yeah.
He has dropped certain players because he believes what they are capable of. So he said, okay, let me call this one. Can he adjust to the team? And I don't wish to be Hugo Bros right now. Remember, we've been speaking about this thing of coach creating a bigger pool of players.
Yeah.
And he has done that. And unfortunately, at the end of the day, Magio select the final squad. Kona bazokhala, kona player that I'm gonna feel good. He should not have dropped them. He should have. Kuzabona should have ababaya, but the coach, as I said, must still select the final squad. Yabo khona ama players wathandayo that have done well for the squad or for a national team. I'll include one player that I believe should be there but is not there. Ukran Kekane. He's playing ICAF. He's also playing regularly currently for Sundowns. He's not there. But I'm not complaining, but I'm just saying, Guti, I'm just making an example for someone who's sitting at home. Guti, now he's got another player, but they should have included Uban. So it's always going to be that topic. Guti, Ubani begmela bekona, Ubani beageko. So it's unfortunately it's that time of the season, Manji, going to the World Cup.
So do you think it's this Panama? Do you think it's a good preparation to play such a team, and if yes, yini mhlawumbe ucabanga ukuthi singayilena ntwana? Because mina kahle with all due respect to Panama, as a country, but still, man, I want Argentina, I want Italy.
Yeah.
Like those kind of preparation games yizo mfana engizifunayo. You understand? So angazi wena ukuthi we bona kanjani. I know Panama is a Central American team, so obviously maybe mentality yabo ne style of play is not too different from Mexico because because we're playing our first game against Mexico. Maybe it's that reason, but for me now, I still feel good, man. Like we need Belgium, we need those France, we need those Netherlands, we need those teams, because it's a World Cup.
No, Ntwana, you are right, Ntwana. Preparing for your World Cup, you need to prepare holistically, but first you must jump the first stage.
Okay.
So when you're preparing for the group stages. So who do you have in the group? That's what you look at first.
Okay.
So he's looking at Mexico.
Yeah.
So Panama, they're in the same region. They're saying they play the same style of football.
Okay.
So if you want to progress to the to the knockout stages, we must beat our team is now
Oh,
grouping.
ngiyakuthola.
So how do I prepare? I can't prepare a team that does not play the same style of football as our team now in the group.
In the group. Oh,
So you
ngiyakubamba,
understand?
cha, no, ngiyakuthola
Hence the
manje.
coach decided
No, ngiyakuthola manje.
to play Panama because they play the same way as Panama. Maybe our next game, as Mexico.
Mexico, yeah.
So our next game, they choose who else is in our group. Then they see. Then they choose someone who plays similarly.
Okay.
You know, that's how you prepare. So I don't blame the coach. Uyayazi into ayenzayo, and I believe the SAFA technical team and everyone who's there preparing for World Cup. You need to play those teams that play the same way
No,
as a team on our
Cha,
group.
Ntwana, no, yenza a lot of sense manje. Yeah, no, ngiyakubamba. Yeah, but we also need that heavyweight
You are demon,
before
yeah.
the tournament starts.
Uzikale kubone
Yeah,
ukuthi
yeah.
kahle kahle sikuphi.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go straight to the squad. Yes, the goalkeepers, big talking points. Sipho Chaine is not part of this squad. And I would guys, Usipho is out of Bafana Bafana. No,
There's no way.
is not out of Bafana Bafana. Coach ukhethe uGos wakhetha no Ronaldo Lena.
Yeah.
Ukuthi he spoke about uGos. He said he's a Bafana material on and off the pitch. Then he spoke about Lena futhi including ukuthi why I'm included wathi no ufuna ukumbona ku Bafana setup ukuthi on and off the pitch unjani. But manje abantu bebathi manje coach uzama ukuthi uChaine mentality yakhe ayikho mnandi because he spoke about mentality and he spoke about some players abangazange behave kahle, but he didn't want to go to like azange be specifics or even mention names, which is very good as a leader. I think uyenze kahle, but usenze aware with kune behavior nyana ethize angayithandi from some of the players, but azange to chain or in. But what's your take when because I feel ukuthi uChaine, yes, he wants to see Ulena. Ugoss had a beautiful game previously against Orlando Pirates. I mean, he made 14 saves. I think there was no way ukuthi melungambizi mfethu ke squad sakho like we over be Pirates a few weeks ago, you know. Pirates should have won that game by 14 or even 10. Yeah. So kusho ukuthi kunale problem eye discipline mdlali mase sesibeka nje kahle umadala into azama ukuyisho. But what's your take when
So you
ngalabo goalkeeper?
You are asking me a question of discipline, and you reference uChaine, and you say you coach Uti. There's a problem with discipline, but ngapha sikhuluma ngoChaine.
Yeah, but
So he did not mention uChaine.
No, nami angisho
But he has dropped uChaine.
But he said ngoGos
Yes.
ne.
But he has dropped uChaine.
Yeah, umdropile, but what is excellent abantu abakhuluma ngayo.
Yeah.
Yena uGos is a Bafana material. Hey, that's a big statement for me.
Okay, let me put it this way for Mina. One, he's preparing. So obviously we cannot talk about Uronen Williams because he's our number one.
Yeah, that's why I'm tint. Yeah.
So he still wants, I think, number 2 work.
Yeah.
Or even though we all know as a country, number 2, Chaine has done well throughout the season.
14 clean sheet as we speak
He's done
in the league
very well
this season.
Yes.
Yo, that's big, bruh.
So he's number 2. He knows what he's capable of. So now it's between Ugos and Lina.
Okay.
So it's either he was supposed to drop Ugos or Chaine. So he had to choose between the two. But maybe he chose, he had to choose. He chose Uchaine. And that does not mean maybe there's a problem with Usipho. But he had to choose between the two of them. And on top of that, Gule 2 friendly games that they are playing now, he needs to play one of them because we cannot play Uronwen both games.
No. And even now, see, I feel good. Honestly, Mdlala, personally I feel ukuthi abamkaya chance I feel kunama game like you show fit bekwama friendly inini bekumele uRonwen fit angadlali fit adlalise uChain
because we know what uRonwen is capable
ile
of.
nto ngisho ngithi mase sikhuluma iqiniso le iphuma kimi personally I feel ukuthi mfethu uMadala kunama game mfethu uRonwen akumele angadlala wonke ama game nama friend wonke why then what's the use but it's fine asichubeke mdlalo nasi squad sethu and then for mina there's this boy Ime Okon hey ngithe mangibona legama ngathi hey Nigerian leli kwambani manje athi hey
Brado
ako kodwa akusiyo akuko ngathi hayi uego no so mangibheka lentwana mase ngithi I think is half in so unjani na because angimazi mina kahle ntwana was you take ngayo lo mfana
that boy
especially to what njengoba siprepare World Cup phela manje everything is preparing World Cup remember there's no yes it might be friendly games or practice games but if you don't perform angeke uzithole ku final squad World Cup
again people must always put this thing in their mind ukuthi these are preparations.
Yeah, that's why ngisho yes.
So the boy is playing in Germany, second division,
yeah,
and he's been doing well.
Okay,
coach has been getting reviews with the boy is doing well. So the coach is bringing the boy. People I saw in the social media, people are saying he's Nigerian. The boy grew up here in South Africa. The boy was playing for a team that I coached now, Randburg FC. Ukhulela lapha, he's been groomed at Randburg FC. He went to go and play for SuperSport United. Then he went overseas. So he's a South African player. All he knows about football is South Africa. He was taught football here in South Africa. So as South Africans, I think we must stop of being, I don't know, is it being racist or what? Xenophobic, ne? Yeah, it's wrong, Ntwana. Let's give this young man a chance. If he's good enough to play for Bafana, let's allow him to go and play for Bafana. The coach wants to see him.
Fair chance.
I mean, he was born here. Umamake walana, his father is Nigerian, so but he was born here. He was groomed here.
Okay.
Ufundiswe yitama South African football. And he had a choice. Nigerians, they called him, but he chose South Africa. Because all he knows is South Africa.
Yeah, no. Okay, Mdladla. So I'm a defender. It's almost normal. UCBC is back, and UCBC sometimes na uba amafans anokumbhuwa angamphathi kahle, but uMadala still usambiza usasene trust kuye, and I mean he's still a Orlando Pirates captain. And for him ngifuna ukumncoma mina uBhodlela Ntwana because it's not easy ukuthi abanye abantu sometimes mhlambe wenza nje mistake nyane one or in then bese bayakubhuwa bayenza but you still keep your head up and focus on a task ebakunike yona ucoach wakho eteamini. So for that ngimkaya spirit ukuthi hayi Bhodlela yeah uBhodli then uMbokazi angifuni sithathe kakhulu uMbokazi because ngifuna siyena kuma midfield and nama front line. uMbokazi wayengikhuluma ngaye manje fast ukuthi bengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe uzostruggle as a center back because of his height, but boy he's doing well and I'm happy to see him doing well good Chicago. I'm saying bengicabanga ukuthi because of his height, those guys Europeans are big. But he's been doing extremely well with this side. Nice one there Mbokazi. And then Nomathuludi, I think Umathuludi is one of the best right backs in my view. With all due respect, I think he can replace Umudao. But now again, he's been some couple of camps and sidlala ama friend, but still uMadala kamdlalisa. uMadala mele miye kumdawo mfethu dlalisa. Yeah, so I think but he's a good backup for Umudao. The big thing here ntwana for mina kule squad list it's Jaden Adams seeing untwana back from Mamelodi Sundowns abeke no Allende benchini
but-
in some of the games and nala ekhanda ngimzwile bambuza awine one of the games man of the match wathi wenze a proper reflection njengoba he was dropped ku AFCON and you can see umfana ukuthi manje ufocus is doing well because that boy is highly talented. We have to have him.
Yeah, when I before ngiya ku Jaden Adams ungibuze ngolo before ngadluli nami ulo, and it's very important for people to understand why uBhodlela alaphi. Usibisi, guys, when you talk about uBhodlela, for those who don't know, we're talking about Usibisi.
Yeah.
Usibisi is one of those players that I think no coach ukhulumile before. I mentality yakhe ntwana. Some players can rub off by bambe balene from yena and go forward. I think uqeda ukusho ukuthi uthi big up to yena because of even though people boo him,
Mental strength.
he still comes back.
Yeah.
He still comes back and give you top-notch performance. That's why he's a captain at Orlando Pirates. It's his mentality, and that mentality rubs off to the other players. Magase Kempin, whether he's playing or not playing, he's able to push the other players. Good guys, when chips are down, he is there to say, guys, let's go.
Yeah.
So you need a player anjalo in your team. Some players who you know which is not gonna play, but because you know influence around
yes.
players, which how big it is, how good he is in terms of keeping the team together.
Yeah.
You know
Team
how
spirit.
important team spirit. Which the player little Malcon, I know my player they will keep on going. Things are gonna go bad, but you know with Magno Sibis, ngiyamdonsela side as a coach and say Ntwana, ayabona ukuthi kuyanyiwa ngicela ukuthi speak to your players. He knows, you don't even have to call him, in fact. He knows, he can see it. He does it naturally as a captain. So he's that's how important he. I've heard Coach akhuluma ngaye, and Leantwana ngiyazi mina personally, but he is that is why he is there in the Bafana
Jaden?
setup. Jaden Adams, top talent, obviously. He should not have left the Bafana, but obviously because of discipline issues, because of Waluza his space in the team, he was not playing at Sundowns, but now he's back. We cannot question the talent of Mfana.
Yo, yeah.
I mean, ever since Allende wafika South Africa, uqala uhlala ebenchini manje, and it's all because of
Yeah, that's very true. Yes.
So it tells you about how good that boy is. So
Okay.
Mnandi.
Simnandi lapho.
Yeah.
Iwari yami ukuthi ama midfielder la ayi kule squad list ayi 4 1 2 3 4 and then angazi yenzwa yini lento mdladla. Have you noticed ukuthi bathatha bomshishi aborile babenza ama forward all the time makana to squad. I don't get like what is that ntwana mhlambe like I don't get it because umshishi is not a forward.
Yeah.
Umfukeng is not, but they all bega by 9.
I think
9
it's
yama
just-
forward and then you've got four midfielders. Yenzwa yini la why benza kanjalo?
I'm attacking players. They are counted as attacking players, forward players. Like you remember when you speak about this Orlando Pirates saying they attack with 5 players.
5 plays, yeah.
So Umshishi forms part of the
Forward.
attacking players, the forward players.
Oh.
The
But-
more creative players.
Yeah, and it's good to Magician is back.
Yeah.
We need him for a World Cup, his experience. But also ngitshele ngolona ntwana Masego no Bongi kuhle. Hlongwane naye udlala in the state is back naye go line up. Yesuleli Foster is there, and then people. I'm one of those people about I don't think umatala ngiyamfostana and I respect ama-decision wakhe vele niyazi makathe uthatha knowledge ngivumelana naye
Showcase.
but man Renas bra that boy is clinical you can't like
Akekho namanje.
akekho
Yeah,
Akekho.
namnyakhala la.
mfana lapho nyakala guys
No,
akekho umuntu
nami
clinical
ngiyakhala.
even Lyle Foster is not clinical as that boy
But
boy,
the proof is there mfethu iFCON. Sikhalile ukuthi we don't have goals.
but now
because
akambizi but now he's
Simshile
scoring
and-
Orlando I mean sorry go Sundowns he's still scoring now
Exactly.
almost week in week out but
Yeah.
uPruce why man uPruce ngathi unenkinga nalomfana because even naku AFCON one of the mistakes esishilo mina engishilo ngathi uBruce uzenzile it's again, we went with how many strikers? AFCON. We went, I think it's 2. It was Mahopa and Ulail. It's not possible. We have to have 3 strikers. There's no way we're going to tournament. We lahlile la umatala. Da vele uyilahlile. And now namanje umuntu oshaya inet clinical akamfaki.
No, that's for me. And I'm again. I must say that one. Reyners, we don't need them in the national team.
I'm fine, serious.
We don't need abantu who are fancy, who are nice.
No.
Sometimes coaches make that mistake. So we see this one works hard. We know Mahopa would. Yes, that's good. We need that. But at the end of the day, Maui striker, you must finish goal. You must finish, Baba. That's what we need. And the Urenas in the country currently, South African, we finisher.
Yeah, and you look at angina problem sesizoyivala. Angina problem ngo ngalomfana lo dlala ku America uHlongwane.
Yeah.
Angina problem naye. Akusukudala icalile MLS. He's already played 5 games, no assist, no goal, and you leave Urenasi ushama hat-trick almost every day. It's a problem for me. Umadala man, sometimes uyacimeka.
Yeah, I think Mara uHlongwane angithi is on the wing. Unkotha is not there. So he's only got ulo esidini a police.
Yeah.
So ulontuzana uHlongwane. Remember, each and every position maybe you must have 2 players. So uHlongwane is with a police on the right. So that's why abize ulontuzane. I need to keep it unkotha. Unkotha is not there, remember? That's why kuzabani uHlongwane. But remember again ukuthi uHlongwane has been part of Bafana Bafana for the longest of time.
Yeah.
So he knows the culture and the way a coach wants things to be done in the national team. So probably because of Nkotha is not there, the obvious option to have maybe was to bring back uHlongwane because he's been playing in his team.
Yeah.
So Reyners, he's here central, he's in number 9. So that's why maybe you cannot say maybe but comparable to. So yena ulapha between Ulail Foster no Lontuzane, no Mahopa. He's there. But you need to have Urenas as well.
Yeah. Lastly, Urile is hot. Uyashisa Urile. Uyashisa. Do you think intwana angaskera ku World Cup?
Mele ntwana. Akumele ntwana. For mina Urile for the longest of time he's been hot.
Yeah.
He's a hot property for South Africa.
That's sure.
But he needs to do this thing at the bigger stage, man. He must sit. Angazi ntwana, you've played for a national team. Do we have a psychologist that go with the team? Bafana.
Angikhumbuli mla.
You don't remember?
Angikhumbuli.
I think we need to have such people in the team because for Urile mina his talent is undoubted. Like no one can debate talent like Urile Mfokeng. But when it comes to tournament football, he needs someone who will prepare him mentally to face
good point.
The challenges. Ukuthi manje it's a bigger stage manje mfethu yabona there's abo intanga zakhe mfethu even young abo Yamin Gamal he's carrying his pain.
Yeah.
So we cannot say Urile mncane sesemncane.
Ngiyakuthola yeah.
With that talent alina ukuthi umncane or umdala. Talent is talent. So he is at that level in terms of talent. But mentally we need to prepare. Even yabona intwana encane even uYamal you would see him sometimes he would drop. The coach is ikhale ukuthi yabona but the coach will always say the boy is young we will. But you can tell ukuthi prepare. They've got a psychologist that work with the boy on the side to prepare him for such stages. And Urile for mina right now we need to get someone. They need to get someone who will work mentally to prepare him for the stage. Otherwise it was Carol and one.
Yeah, but I think also lastly yeah, so lastly I think for ukuba khona kwaka Thembazwane mdlala because we big straight guys Hugo Bruce we big straight wathi and I agree with him uthe Urile is not a winger akanawo ama qualities we winger I agree with him mina personally angazi kuwe but I agree hayi winger yamshaya namba yes umnandi ngoba uyalazi ibhola but he's not like a winger into bekazama ukuyisho and abanye abantu bangathi hawu madala uyaphetha no ukhuluma iqiniso because he's more effective as a number 10 so masivala mdlali I think he needs to make sure ukuthi he has that relationship no Themba so that uThemba amhlipulele amhabulise that experience because he's the one that is going to play that role if uThemba akekhona but 2 games Friday Panamo Moses Mabhida and then next week Tuesday Cape Town I think it's a Cape Town Stadium ubona kanjani lama game wethu
now for me it's not about results but it's about how the team gels together how because we are preparing for the World Cup so the coach obviously khona combinations that he must try because remember ku AFCON on the left where the problem where when Aubrey was out we brought in Kabini and we had a problem in that game so you need to have amanyama players you cannot in the tournament uba introduce babe surprise test them kulama preparations walama game ukuthi nabo ama player bajwayelane ba understandane yabo play them as well we know what Aubrey can give us but dlala lentona le eNukabini nayo siyibona ukuthi what can it do for us
so do we think mhlawumbe ubukhwetshi basuke mabangadlalisi lamajita angajwayelanga ukuyala bachubeka noma kwama friend ukuthi mhlambe noma kuyifriend makuluziwe mibasaba umsindo ukuthi so wina sidliwa la sizowina kanjani usho ukuthi kungaba yiyo
yeah it's possible vele yeah sometimes and also ama fans wethu or us as ama fans because we are fans
us
you just fake pressure too much this is a preparation the coach still wants to see different combinations so asimgayeni coach even if we lose against Panama I know people are saying hey Panama who are these what but allow the coach to play to do what he wants to do and see everyone we are playing against the same team twice so as allow the coach ukuthi yenze into efuna ukuyenza so that he can see ukuthi uphetheni
Tanko bafethu please don't forget to subscribe share like and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates is Jabu Mahlangu and Diskishandis Viva Bafana Viva we believe in you guys and the coach the technical team everyone will be fully behind you bafethu let's take one game at a time that was Jabu Mahlangu and Diskishandis shuffling Diskiringas Twana it's a rap Tanko
ngicela ngalimali uTebogo Mokoena please hayi ebengworried badlala mfethu Africa manje mfethu ngimbona lele phansi ngithi yonkosi yami le
hayi ihuzu le yadala ikhona le
hey ngalimali le player
hayi that's number ihondo le hayi that's number bafethu please bafethu siyabonga bafethu that was it for this episode Bafana Tanko
it's a rap